Recent studies reveal that spending just 20 minutes in nature can greatly boost mental health. A group of researchers found that participants reported a significant decrease in anxiety and stress after a short nature walk. Nature stimulates the release of endorphins, often referred to as happiness hormones, creating an uplifting effect. Hospitals incorporating gardens have witnessed faster recovery rates in patients. So whether it's a stroll in the park or a hike in the woods, embracing the outdoors can be a vital step towards a healthier mind.